Modern society was built around human labor. For centuries, civilization operated on one core assumption: human work was necessary for economic production. Almost everything else was built around that idea. AI may challenge that assumption. Not all at once, but gradually, intelligent systems may reduce the amount of human labor required across entire industries. That changes more than employment. It may change the structure of civilization itself. Because labor is not just part of the economy, it's embedded inside modern society everywhere. Industrial society required mass human coordination. Factories, transportation, construction, healthcare, retail, administration. Modern civilization depended on organizing millions of workers efficiently. Education systems were designed for labor markets. Schools were not only built to transfer knowledge, they were also designed to prepare people for economic participation. Schedules, compliance, specialization, credentialing, all tied closely to labor systems. Cities were organized around work: office districts, commute infrastructure, business hours, commercial real estate. Entire urban environments evolved around concentrated human labor. Work also organized social status. Modern status systems became deeply connected to profession, titles, careers, income, professional achievement. Labor became identity. AI increases output without equivalent labor. Historically, economic growth usually required more human workers. AI changes that relationship. Output can increasingly scale through intelligent systems instead. This may disrupt traditional economic models. If fewer workers are needed for production, then societies may eventually face difficult questions about income distribution, employment structures, education, taxation, and economic participation. Old models may strain under new conditions. The transition may happen unevenly. Some industries may automate quickly, others more slowly. Some regions may adapt early, others may resist change longer. The transition may feel fragmented for years. Most people still assume the old system continues. Psychologically, societies often assume existing structures are permanent until technological change quietly alters the foundations underneath them. This is not just a job transition. It may become a transition in how civilization organizes human value itself. That is historically significant. Labor scarcity shaped economics. For centuries, human labor was scarce and valuable. That scarcity influenced wages, markets, education, social mobility, politics, and institutions. AI potentially changes the scarcity equation. Abundance creates new problems. People often assume abundance solves everything, but abundance can also destabilize systems built around scarcity, especially systems tied to labor and status. Civilization may need new organizing principles. If labor becomes less central economically, societies may eventually need new frameworks for meaning, contribution, income, purpose, and social organization. The transition could take decades. Technolo- Technology changes human expectations. Every major technological era reshapes identity, lifestyle, social norms, and economic behavior. AI may become one of the largest shifts yet. The challenge is not only technical, the deeper challenge may be psychological and social. Humans evolve inside systems where labor and survival were tightly connected. AI loosens that connection. We are entering an experimental era. No civilization has fully experienced large scale intelligent automation before. Many assumptions about work and society may now be tested in real time. AI may reorganize civilization, not overnight, but gradually, as labor, economics, and human identity begin shifting under intelligent systems. Society was built around human labor. The question now is, what happens when human labor is no longer the center of economic production? That may become one of the defining questions of this century. I hope you're enjoying the series. If so, give us a like and make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe. That way you'll know when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.